Welcome to this video in which we will present our AI roadmap for Yest and give a sneak peek into Yest 5.0, which will be released in autumn 2026. You may know it. Right now, our test design tool Yest already includes an AI-based assistant that makes it possible to standardize and parameterize existing test scenarios and to generate workflows from them. But that was just the first step. The next version of Yest will revolutionize visual test design. Thanks to the integrated chatbot and the connection to the Atlassian tools Jira and Confluence, it will soon be possible to create Yest workflows simply via prompts. For the first time, Yest combines the best of both worlds. The familiar accelerators that make Yest the tester's IDE and the powerful capabilities offered by generative AI. Equally in the pipe is the integration of documents, let's say your specifications, the generation of datasets, and of course, anything that simplifies test design. In the medium term, other sources, such as Polarion, will also be integrated. Additionally, it will be possible to have the generated test scenarios executed by an AI agent. We are talking, of course, about agentic test execution with Linker. But back to the present. Here's a brief glimpse into the possibilities opened up by the AI chatbot in Yest. Please note that this is a sneak peek. The released version may look slightly different. The first use case I want to present is how you can create workflows using the chatbot and just by writing prompts in Yest. So as you can see, it's a structured prompt. Good prompting practices are still relevant. I provide the user story and its acceptance criteria in the data section, and I ask Yest to create the workflow, just the workflow to start with. And this is how it looks like. First, I opened the chatbot and I copied my prompt. Then the AI agent in Yest needs a bit of time to think about the task. After a while, it comes up with a proposal. Please note that Yest does not perform any change without prior confirmation given by the user. When I accept the changes, Yest creates the workflow I've asked for. The next step is, of course, to add the tables. Following good prompting practices, I first ask for the nominal case, and I get a table with one row. That sounds simple, but I get one table for each task, so the agent is really doing the work for me. In my third and last prompt, I asked the agent in Yest to create the data and to add all the tests that are required to verify the different parameter values. The result is stunning. Here are the data values, and here are the parameterized test steps. The last step is not AI-based. I generate my test scenarios using the built-in deterministic features of Yest. Here they are. AI in Yest is a true game changer. Within less than 15 minutes, I created 23 parameterized test scenarios using only 3 partly structured prompts. But that's not the only use case that our next Yest version will propose to you. You can also read information from Jira and/or Confluence, and then, once you read the user story from Jira, you can do exactly what I did with the user story I copied into the prompt. If the user story is new, the agent will help you to find the best way to integrate into the existing workflow. You may also read the entire set of user stories and check whether they are covered by the model. You can also evaluate existing workflows, whether they are good, and implement good practices. And last but not least, the chatbot can summarize and explain existing models, for example, if you just joined the team. This list is not exhaustive. I'm sure our customers will find many other ways to benefit from this new version of Yest. Are you already excited to try out our built-in chatbot? Then you should subscribe to our newsletter. Just visit our website at smarttesting.com.